Ow! Hey, what's up everybody, and happy Tuesday. Too Tall Toby here, and instead of doing a quick tip today, I just wanted to give you a little update as to what's going on in the world of Too Tall Toby. Really just 3 different topics I wanted to talk about today. So the first of those topics is Model Monday Live. We haven't had a live episode in a while, so we're going to go live again this Monday, April 24th at 2 p.m. East Coast. During that episode, we're going to have the speed modeling challenges for the chat. We're going to find out who's the fastest in the chat. And we're also going to talk about the leaderboard challenge over at tootalltoby.com/leaderboard. Last month in March, we had one runner finish all 3 models in under 3 minutes. That was Juiced, and he was using ANSYS Space Claim and came in with a time of 2 minutes and 47 seconds. So very speedy. And if you want to watch his run, you can just click on the video link there on the leaderboard at tootalltoby.com/leaderboard. Of course, if you want to compete, the April leaderboard is still open. So you can build 3 new models for April, see how fast you can do it, run against the clock, and get on that leaderboard so that you can get entered into the raffle to win the t-shirt. Anybody who's on the leaderboard can win a t-shirt, and we're going to give away 1 t-shirt this Monday at Model Monday Live. The second piece of news that I wanted to share with everybody is that we do have the tournament dates scheduled. We're going to start with the qualifiers in June. The qualification process is going to be very similar to the monthly leaderboard process, so I'm excited to get some people qualified for that tournament. We're going to have our first matches in the round of 32 starting in July. Those matches are going to run every Saturday at 10 a.m. East Coast, so the same schedule that we used last year, we're going to use again this year for the World Championship. And the finals will take place on November 11th. So the World Championship of 3D CAD speed modeling is on, and I'm very excited to see who emerges as the 2023 champion. The final thing I wanted to mention to everybody, and this is the biggest news of all, is that yesterday, the YouTube channel eclipsed 6,969 subscribers. So we did it, guys. We got to 69 subscribers, a huge milestone in the world of Too Tall Toby. So let me know what you think about that milestone down in the comments below. Let me know if you have any questions about the other news. Otherwise, I hope to see everyone in the next live stream, which will be Model Monday Live, this Monday, April 24th at 2 p.m. East Coast. I hope everybody has a great rest of their Tuesday and a wonderful rest of the week, and I will see everybody in the live stream.